Hello everyone, today I will show you how to deploy your Emergent AI app on Vercel. First, open Emergent AI in your browser. If you have not connected your GitHub account yet, we need to do that first. To connect GitHub, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Connect to GitHub. You will be asked to log in to your GitHub account if you are not already signed in. After logging in, choose the account where your projects are stored. Once your GitHub account is connected, you are ready to save your project. Open the project you want to deploy. Look for the option that says Save to GitHub. Click on it and follow the instructions. This will push your project to a repository on your GitHub account. Make sure you wait until the process is complete. Next, go to Vercel in your browser. Make sure your GitHub account is connected to Vercel. At the top right corner, click on Add New and select Project. Vercel will show you a list of your GitHub repositories. Find the repository that contains your Emergent AI project and select it. Click on Import. After importing the project, you will see a Deploy button. Click on Deploy to start the deployment process. Vercel will automatically build and deploy your project. You can watch the logs to see the process. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide a URL for your app. Open the URL in your browser, and you will see your Emergent AI app running. Thanks for watching.